Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to change your name on Aramex application. To change your username on Aramex is a super easy process and it can be done in a couple of minutes. First of all, tap open the Aramex application from your app drawer and sign into your account. Once you're inside the main homepage, tap on My Account at the bottom right hand corner. Under My Account, tap on your name at the very top and then enter the new name where it says first name. You can also make change to your last name according to your preference. You can also go ahead and change your email address if you want, and finally tap save in order to save your changes. And soon after you do that, you will then be able to change your name on Aramex application. So that is how it's done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.